Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today I have an unboxing from Curated Bead Box, and this will be for the July of 2023. Now before I get into the unboxing, I just want to say something about their customer service. I did have to deal with them this time because for some reason my credit card was not going through like it should. And let me just say this, they were so good about helping me out with that. Excellent customer service. All right, so let's get into this curated bead box, and I'm actually really excited about it. So when I unwrapped the mailer and I saw that it's Seabed Secrets, and look, there's a starfish there, I got really excited. I always love how they put the contents of the box on the box itself. And if you want to order any of this separately, there's the codes down on the beside it there that you can look up. I'll leave all the information on how you can order any of this stuff and in the description box below, or if you want to order this box or any other box. By the way, I do have a coupon code. That too will be in the description box below. Let's start out by just saying that they always have a findings kit. As you can see, you see everything that's in there. This is a great gift idea to give to anybody that's starting out making jewelry or that has been making it for a long time. It always comes in a very sturdy box wrapped in paper, and when I unwrapped it this time, look at all the colors here. I'll have to say, you know, this is July, and it gives me more of a fall feel, but I'll talk about that in a little bit. And here's the findings kit. Has all kinds of things in there. You have jump rings and head pins and lobster claw clasps and beading wire and memory wire. The first string we have here are a set of 12mm cinnamon jade style glass beads, an 8-inch string. These remind me of carnelian. And like I mentioned earlier, to me, it just gives me a fall vibe. These next set of beads are also 12mm. They're a yellow-gray duo style glass bead, a 6-inch string. Again, they're saying that they are fall to me. Also something about these, they're calling them yellow-gray, but they're more of a peridot green gray. Next, we have a 10mm beige jasper gemstone bead, about a 7 to 8-inch string. Those are really pretty. And even though all of these beads are screaming fall to me, and I'm really not that much of a fall person, I'm more of a summer person, I'm okay with it. Next, we have a 6-inch string of 10mm olive duo style glass beads. Next, we have another set of 10mm beads. These are ivory gemstone style glass beads, about a 6-inch string. These next set of beads are probably one of two of my favorite sets of beads in this box. It is an 8mm red-brown marble style swirl glass beads, about a 16-inch string. By the way, it's really not red. In my opinion, that's more of a pink. And I absolutely love these beads. These next set of beads are really cool. They're an 8mm drizzled copper silver glass bead, about a 10.5-inch string. This next set of beads are my other favorites in this box. They're calling these a 6mm jungle marble style swirl glass bead, and there's about a 10.5-inch string. These next beads, we have about 16-inch string. They're a 6mm dark brown crackle glass bead. Next, we have 3 16mm jasper gemstone beads. Aren't those pretty? And again, they're very fall looking. The next thing we have here are some seashell beads. There's about 12 of them. I actually got 11. They're a 22 by 16mm in size. And for those of you who do not know what these are, they're actually cowrie shells. And the next thing we have here are 6mm silver metal spacer beads, about 8 beads. And then last but not least is this really pretty starfish pendant. Now, when I first saw it, I thought, you know, I want to paint it, but I'm not for sure if I want to paint it or not. I'm going to have to let it sit for a little bit to make up my mind, but I actually really love the texture of it, and I may just leave it the way it is. This is a really beautiful box, and I am very excited to start creating with it. Like I said before, this really screams fall to me, but I'm okay with it. I'm one of these people who love to wear beachy, oceany, is that even a word? But the beachy look, I love to wear that throughout the whole entire year, not just during the summer, but even in the fall and the winter. And I'm really glad to see these fall colors with the starfish and having more of a beachy theme in the fall. I'm really happy to see that. Anyway, stay tuned for some videos that I'll be doing in the future, creating with all these beautiful things. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.